Hello students, welcome to STS classes. आज हम +1 के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं. इसमें चैप्टर 3 trigonometric function is going on this chapter. Now today exercise 3.3 NCERT question 21 to 25. Other question in the other lectures done on this chapter 3. This is the 12th lecture. 11th lecture over on this chapter. Now this question 21 is prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cos 3x. Prove it. So now for this using the formula sin A plus sin B. Okay, this is equal to twice sin A plus B divided by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2. Okay, this is first formula, and second cos A plus cos B. This will be used in the numerator, cos 1, and sin 1 in the denominator. Okay beta. Then cos A plus B, cos A plus cos B equal twice, first will be cos A, twice cos A plus B divided by 2 into sin A minus B divided by 2. These two formula using here. So in the solution or proof, in the proof of this LHS, we are taking and using formula cos A plus cos B in the numerator, and cos B we are using cos 2x, and cos 2x we are using cos A. तो A is 4x, B is 2x, इन दोनों में यूज कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो cos 4x plus cos 2x, then that is cos formula, then cos will come twice cos A plus B by 2. तो 4x plus 2x 6x, इसमें और इस टर्म में यूज कर रहे हैं, तो 6x divided by 2, then 3x into sin A minus B, 4x minus 2x, 2x and divided by 2, then x, all divided by denominator sin A plus sin B, this formula sin A plus sin B. So this sin A plus sin B, A is 4x, B is 2x, this A and B indeed, then twice sin A plus B, 4x plus 2x, 6x divided by 2, then 3x into cos A minus B, 4x minus 2x, 2x and divided by 2, then x. Okay, now you see here, what is this? This is cos 3x upon sin 3x, sin x upon cos x. Okay, so be careful here, but sin में एक sin एक cos, cos में दोनों cos. ठीक है, so what will come this? You see, simplify, you can do cancel cos 3x upon cos sin 3x, cos theta upon sin theta, cos upon sin, then cos theta. Cos theta is 3x into sin upon cos. Sin upon cos is cos में both cos will come. In cos A plus B formula here, this Both cos will come. Cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So cos formula here, both cos will come, then into cos x. And into 4x plus minus 2x, 2x divided by 2, then x. Cos x cancel. Then this is equal to Rx. Hence 2. ठीक है, यही प्रूव करना था. Done. Next question. Yes. Next question. Question number 22. Prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. How can you prove? Here one technique is there in the proof. Take cot 3x. Cot 3x and bracket the 3x cot of 3x bracket 2x plus x. This simple, take from your side identity cot 3x, that 3x return 2x plus x. Now cot A plus B formula. What is cot A plus B? Cot A plus B. Cot A plus B equal cot A cot B, cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. This formula cot A plus B equal cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot A plus cot B. This formula we have to use here in the right hand of this identity. Then cot A is 2x, B is x. So cot A into cot B means cot 2x into cot x minus 1 upon cot A. A is 2x plus cot B. B means x. This, okay, this as it is. Then cross multiply, okay. Then cot 3x into cot 2x. Here cot 3x as it is, and denominator nothing than 1. Cross multiply, then cot 2x, cot 2x into cot x, cross multiply, okay, and minus 1 is equal cot 3x into cot 2x, cot 2x into cot 3x. इसकी मल्टीप्लाई होगी इस बार, इसकी प्लस cot 3x into cot x. Cross multiply done. After that what will come? The both term will come this side. A minus 1 will go this side. So cot x cot 2x. As it is cot x into cot 2x. Okay, beta. As it is, then this minus 1 will go that side and these both term will come this side. So this is positive term will come this side, negative cot of 2x into cot of 3x, and this positive will come this side, negative cot 3x into cot x into cot x. Okay, and this minus 1 will go that side, plus 1. This minus 1 will go that side, plus 1. Hence prove this we have to prove, and ये prove करना था. Done. Okay, next question. Yes, beta. Next question, question 23. Prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. We have to prove. Now here, take LHS in the proof tan 4x. So tan 4x written tan 2 into 2x. So tan 2a formula we can use. This implies tan 2a. What is tan 2a formula? Tan 2a. 2 tan a upon 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. This is tan 2a formula. Use this here. A is here 2x. Tan 2 into 2x. So 2a. A is here 2x. This is your a. Okay. Then what will come? 2 tan a. So 2 tan a. A is 2x. 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square a. A is 2x. Then again here, this implies tan 2x in the numerator, again formula 2 as it is into tan 2x. Again tan 2x, x is a, tan 2a, 2 tan x, 2 into 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square into x. So tan 2a again, 2 tan a, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and this whole square. Tan square 2x. So tan whole square. This. So 1 upon 1 LCM and simplify. Be careful. 2 to the 4. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x and divide का multiply and reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal here first LCM, अभी डिवाइड ही रखो, एलसीएम ले लो पहले, 1 माइनस tan स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर, 1 माइनस tan square x whole square, this LCM and then here one multiply whole square, तो whole square सॉल्व कर दिया, a square plus b square. ओके ठीक है, a square plus b square means b is this whole square, no, b is tan square x, so whole square of this then 4 tan square x whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab 1 into tan square x. ये होल स्क्वायर मैंने ओपन किया है. ओके, दिस होल स्क्वायर into 1 and minus this whole square numerator 2 to the 4 tan square x. This now reciprocal, then 4 tan x divided by 1 minus 1 minus tan square x as it is. Divide का multiply and reciprocal, denominator will go in numerator, so 1 minus tan square x, this whole square will go in numerator and numerator will come in denominator. Simplify like term, minus 4 tan square minus 2 tan square, so minus 6 tan square, so 1 minus 6 tan square, 1 minus 6 tan square x minus 2 tan square minus 4 tan square, so minus 6 tan square and plus tan power 4x. Now whole square this factor sign cancel out, what left? 4 tan x, this same part is right hand, 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x. This upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. This tan power 4x. This is your right hand side L into R H S. Thanks, proof. Done. Okay. Next question. Yes. Next question, beta. 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square. So here, take LHS in the proof. Here also same 4x means write 2 into 2x cos of 2 into 2x. So cos 2a formula. Which formula? Cos of 2a. Cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Use this, then 2 cos 2 cos square a. A is 2x minus 1. Okay. Now after that again cos 2x formula, 2 into cos 2x whole square. So cos 2a again 2 cos square a minus 1. So 2 cos square x minus 1. This whole square and minus 1 as it is. Okay. Now after that whole square a square plus b square 4 cos power 4 a square plus b square minus 2 to the 4 minus 4 cos square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into 2 cos square. 4 cos square into 1. Then this done minus 1. Now this multiplied by 2. 2 4 are 8. 8 cos 4x plus 2. 2 1 are 2 minus 2 4 are 8 cos square x minus 1. Minus 1 and plus 2 simplify. Then 8 cos square common in these two terms. 8 common and cos square x also common in first and third term. Then here cos power 4x, so then cos square x will left, cos square x, and here minus this as it is common, then minus 1 left, and plus 2 and minus 1, then plus 1. Done. Then this implies 1 minus common here, plus 1 1 हो गया, माइनस यहाँ कॉमन लिया, 8 cos square x into 1 minus cos square, minus common ले, 1 minus cos square x sin square x, then 1 minus 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus cos square theta sin square x into 8 cos square x, then 8 sin square x into cos square x. Done. 1 minus cos square is sin square. Done. Has proved. इक्वल RHS लेंस प्रूफ, ये प्रूफ करना है। डन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यस बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 25, प्रूव दैट cos 6x equal 32 into cos power 6x minus 48 into cos power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. LHS we are taking the bracket is cos of 2 into 3x, 2 3 is 6. Bracket is like this. LHS, then again the same formula, cos 2a 2 cos square a minus 1. A is 3x. A is 3x. Then 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a. A is 3x. Okay. Minus 1. Done. 2 cos square a minus 1. After that here 3x. So cos 3x formula we have to use. This important cos of 3a. Sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Cos 3a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This formula important. Use this formula here. Then this implies 2 as it is into cos 3x formula. 3a cos 3x cos 3a 4 cos cube x 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is cos 3x value, and then whole square, because this is whole square. Okay, then minus 1 as it is. After that whole square formula, a minus b whole square, 2 as it is. A minus b whole square, a square 4 square 16 cos cube x whole square power multiply 3 to 6, 4 square 16 and cos cube x whole square cos power 6x. Okay, a square plus b square means 3 square 9 cos square x. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. 2 into 4 8, 2 4 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 cos cube x into cos x, cos power 4x. पावर ऐड हो जाती है, मल्टीप्लाई में पावर ऐड हो जाती है सेम. ठीक है, 3 और यहाँ 1 and 4. ओके, डन. minus 1 as it is. After that, next step, multiply by 2 inside, 16 to the 32. 32 cos power 6x. Now to the 18 cos square x. 18 cos square x and 24 to the 48. So minus 48. ऑर्डर में लिख लें, ये टर्म पहले लिख लें. आई एस पावर 6 है, आई एस पावर 4 है, फिर 2. ठीक है. decreasing order of the power. Then 24 to the 48 cos power 4x. And 2 9 is 18 plus 18 cos square x and minus 1 outside as minus 1. So this check it is equal RHS. This is our RHS. Hence, to ये हमें प्रूव करना था done. Okay, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must subscribe the channel and then they will get automatically link of the all videos which I am sending. And the last year also I have done full syllabus of 10, 12 and 11. So you will get the link of the last videos in the descriptions of this video. Okay, I will send you. And you watch, like, share and subscribe the channel. Not forget to subscribe the channel and take interest and write the comment in comment box. Thank you.